Facebook moves users to duck EU privacy law. While the world is still trying to figure out why the Zuckerberg needs a booster chair, his social media juggernaut was busy making moves. Facebook has moved more than 1.5 billion users out of reach of a new European Union privacy law. Users outside the US and Canada are currently governed by terms of service agreed with the social network's international headquarters in Ireland. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, is set to take effect May 25th. The new law allows European regulators to fine companies for collecting or using personal data without users' consent. Facebook is liable under GDPR fines of up to 4% of its global revenue, around $1.6 billion, for any infractions. Facebook user data from Asia, Africa, and Latin America will be transferred from the Ireland headquarter offices to main offices in California. The change affects more than 70% of the site's 2 billion-plus members. As of December, Facebook had 239 million users in the US and Canada, 370 million in Europe, and 1.52 billion users everywhere else. Let's be honest, people, if you're really concerned about your privacy, don't sign up for free social media sites. Want more of the booster chair? Keep watching. Ways to protect your data on Facebook. And this company wants your facial biometric data. Here are some ways to protect personal data on Facebook without deleting the entire account. The first step is to remove Facebook from connected apps, basically disabling the platform so third-party apps cannot access your account or information. Next, users can adjust the amount of data friends and family take with them to other apps such as birth date, education, employment, and relationships. The third alternative is to shut off Facebook's data collection for advertisements. This includes website and apps use and ads coupled with social actions. And as a fourth alternative, hop over to Google+. Yeah, right. Just delete the Facebook account.
Facebook finds fake Russian accounts spreading fake news. Aha, so it was the Russians all along. Either that or Facebook is trying to make something out of nothing. Facebook says around 3,000 ads worth $100,000 ran on their network over a 2-year period, ending in May 2017, adding that the purpose of the ads were to spread divisive social and political messages. The ads directed people to 470 accounts that were spreading false news or were in breach of company policies and have since been shut down. As part of an internal investigation on how Facebook could have been used to influence the last U.S. election, the company found ads that were bought from U.S. IP addresses, but with their language set to Russian. According to Facebook, in that part of the review, they uncovered about $50,000 in potentially politically related spending on about 2,200 ads. The advertisements did not support any particular candidate, but focused on immigration, race, and equal rights.
Facebook to punish posts looking for likes. Facebook said on Monday it's going to start demoting posts that are just fishing for likes. As Facebook has grown in size, so has the annoyingness of their news feeds. Users are increasingly getting bombarded with irritating posts that tell people to like, share, or comment. This method is mostly used by brands and companies looking to expand their footprint. The social media giant has tweaked its algorithms to detect posts that are merely engagement bait and says it will show them less in the newsfeed. The changes will be rolled out over the next few weeks to give publishers some time to come up with other ways to game the system. The real question, though, who still uses Facebook?
Facebook knows all your browsing habits. A U.S. judge has dismissed a lawsuit against Facebook that accuses it of tracking users' browsing activities, even after they've logged out of their account, with the judge saying plaintiffs could have kept their online activity private, but chose not to. Websites create small text files known as cookies that are stored in the user's computers. These allow websites to recognize the users and their preferences. Cookies are usually deleted after users leave certain websites. Facebook has promised that cookies are deleted when users log out. However, the site continues to store user data such as account IDs. Facebook also tracks users through third-party websites that feature the Facebook like buttons. When users visit web pages with embedded like buttons, the browser automatically sends information to both Facebook and the server of the web page. Facebook started using web browsing data for interest-based advertising in 2014, which displays ads for products that users have already been looking at in their Facebook feed. Users can choose to opt out of this type of advertising by modifying their account settings.